Hello aspirants, welcome to GDC English classes. I hope you know that AIMS CRE 2025 results are out. So let's see how to check. So you can directly go to the Google website and type AIMS CRE result. In that you can click on the Common Recruitment Examination CRE 2025. And when you open it, so it will give 53, 54 like that. I hope you know the batch group, nothing but group code for the pharmacist is 12. So you can scroll down. So you will get a number 12, the PDF with number 12. That is result of the recruitment to the group code 12 under the CRE 2025. So the PDF will open. So nothing but this is the official notification. The results are announced on the 23 of this month. So here they clearly mention roll number, category. If you belongs to physically handicapped, you will get S, and X service is there, okay, and gender, marks obtained along with the rank. So here number of ranks are there. I hope the first rank person got around 350 plus marks, and you know that this time more number of questions from the pharmacology only, but we cannot do anything for the temporary things and unfortunate things. Whatever it may be, the notifications will come and go, but it's your turn. You are qualifying or not, you are cracking or not. Please self analyze yourself. Yes, we should have positive attitude, we should have positive mindset. First attempt, second attempt, third attempt, when attempts are going, you have to self analyze yourself. Yes, that's a good intention. I will qualify. Yes, okay, definitely you have the chance to qualify in the first attempt, second attempt, third attempt. So but if attempts are going but you are not qualifying, you are not cracking it, so please self analyze yourself, and what is the wrong is going, you can know yourself, you only know yourself. So believe in yourself, and definitely everything will be possible. So I hope you know already the RRB notification, new RRB notification released already. So please be serious on your preparation. If anything is there, comment in the comment box. If you got the rank from this PDF, so please comment in the comment box. All the best. Subscribe to GDC English class.